So, good morning everyone! Members ng ating network at saka yung followers natin. So, gusto ko lang itong i-discuss because this is very important. Isa sa mga active members at grower ng ating network at platform, si Plantbox Innovation Network. At of course, kasama rito si Sefa. Okay, isa sa mga member natin nagtanong, no, kung because I was posting about inflation later on, pero sarcastic ang terms. Pero one of our members, shout out natin si Sir Jeff T. Romero, isa sa mga member natin sa Maguindanao. So maganda yung tanong niya, like anong idea natin o anong opinion natin sa inflation. Ito kasi yung laging tinitingnan doon in relation to productivity ng bansa at unemployment rate at saka presyo ng mga bilihin kasi nakaka-epekto ito. Disclaimer lang po, I'm not an economic expert. This is based on my research and also my study, no? So, paano nga ba? Ano nga ba ang problema natin dito sa inflation? Bakit laging ganito, laging bumababa, tumataas, pero it's still a problem. So, ang tingin ko dyan is yung mismong economic system. Pag sinabi natin economic system natin, this is very broad, this is very macro. Pero, take for example, how we Filipinos, how do we how do we sell our products in the international market? And paano din ba yung mga local production natin dito? So as you can see, mas marami talaga yung imported goods. Pangalawa, hindi tayo nakakapag-import o nakakapag-export, not import, ng mga produkto na gawa na natin. So mostly karamihan dun sa mga strategic economic products natin na kailangan ng ibang bansa tulad ng steel. These are raw materials na dinadala o binibenta ng ating ng Pilipinas dun sa ibang bansa kasi kailangan nila. So, dun pa lang sa dalawang aspeto na yun, nasasabi natin na behind talaga tayo. Once we are just provider of, for example, laptop, for example, we're buying laptops. Mga chips at saka yung mga materials nun are made from a different countries. And ilan doon galing sa Pilipinas as one of the raw materials sa paggawa ng laptop. Pagdating dito sa laptop, mahal na. Okay? So, the inflation outcome, pag masyado mataas yung inflation, you need more money to buy a product. You need more peso to buy laptop. No? Pag mababa ang inflation, of course, we don't need to have more money to access services. Yeah. Again, it's not my expert opinion. It's just my observation. No? Pangalawa, mas marami talaga yung imported goods. At yung mga local goods natin, minsan napakahirap nakapag-produce ng isang produkto. Kasi napapansin ko lang is hindi naman talaga tinuturo yung full value, supply and demand chain dun sa masa, dun sa ordinary Pilipino. So it takes a lot of courage, a lot of investments for a micro entrepreneurs to get their product on board in shall we say, for example, in the groceries, in the platform, in mga commercial market. And that's true because hindi naman libre yung paggagawa. Pero if the focus of our society is to produce quality local production, this has to be addressed. So ganun yung situation natin. So yun yung talagang barriers at challenges natin. So yun, thank you pala kay Sir Jeff T to raise that question. So in response to that, the reason why we in our network, sa Plantbox Innovation Network, we do not just teach people how to plant, how to grow their own food at their own backyard. We want them to be really efficient. So we do have platform that we give monthly basis, free content, free trainings, and exposures of our members. If you're active in our network, of course, you will be prioritized. Pero kapag hindi ka active, of course, hindi mo masusundan yung ating development. So the reason why we put up this, our vision is to make our local products quality, productive, and addresses food insecurity. Ayun lang. So, salamat Jepti, and si Jepti isa sa mga members natin na aktibo at tuloy yung pagtatanim niya ng lettuce, no? At iba pang mga products. Yan lang po ngayon, and we will post relevant content, no? And we continue our journey. Please support our platform. May YouTube channel kami, may social media page, and don't forget to connect with us. Hindi namin kaya to na kami lang. We need each other. We need people who work for the purpose of yung nagmamalasakit para sa ating mga local entrepreneurs, maliliit ang mga negosyante, para sa ikakaunlad ng ating bansa.